3 delays, finally the words we want to hear.
3, 2, 1.
The Antares rocket blasts off and it's on its way to the International Space Station. Well, good evening. I'm Paul Butler.
And I'm Alice Bavis. This is WBOC News at 6. Well, the launch postponed from last month finally took off today from Wallops Island.
Yeah, the delays were originally caused by a cooling pump issue on the International Space Station, then delayed again because of cold weather and radiation. But now the Antares rocket from Wallops Island is delivering cargo to the International Space Station for the very first time. WBOC's Denise Sawyer joins us in the Newsplex tonight. And Denise, a lot of people were disappointed yesterday when the launch was called off. But those folks came back to Wallops Island today and they say they got exactly what they wanted.
Paul, they got a front row seat to watch the first supply rocket from Wallops Island take off, heading to the International Space Station. And Antares is moving fast, going 17,500 miles per hour. Some people couldn't believe their eyes. It's finally a successful liftoff.
That is cool. That is cool.
And Derek Walton's first rocket launch.
It's really cool because I've never even been to a rocket launch my entire life, and I've always dreamed of doing it and actually being part of one.
Once the fire, smoke, and explosive sound went off,
Good God, you can still see that flame from the daggone thing.
the crowd went wild.
Woo! I'm a thrill seeker. You know, I like fireworks, I like big bangs, you know.
Derek says the rocket launch brings out the kid in him. He couldn't keep still, and he couldn't stop laughing.
I mean, when my brother told me that they have a rocket launch going on up here, I'm like, I want to go, I want to go, I want to go.
Orbital Sciences says the rocket is carrying about 3,000 pounds of supplies to the International Space Station. On board are science experiments, food, spare parts, and even some Christmas presents for the 6 astronauts.
Whoa, that is crazy.
NASA says the rocket's delivery was delayed 3 times since December, most recently because of a strong solar storm. But Lloyd Unsell says the blastoff couldn't come at a more perfect time.
I'm 66 years old now, and I've wanted to see a NASA launch for 66 years. I finally got to see one.
Cygnus will be unloaded after arriving at the space station. Then the astronauts will fill it with trash, which will burn once it re-enters the Earth's atmosphere in mid-February. As for the next blast-off, onlookers can look forward to another countdown this summer in Accomack County.
All right.